Good afternoon. This is Mike Polanco with Superior Coatings of South Texas. We're out here in Schertz, Texas, standing on a Super Therm coated metal roof. This roof right here is the Knights of Columbus Hall here in Schertz, and this application was done last year. They're starting to get some of the energy results back as the heat is beginning to increase, and this last month's energy bill came in and showed that they had saved around $500 based upon last year's cost. So what is happening is the Super Therm right here, the high performance ceramics, that is an American made technology, is what it's doing. It is stopping the sun's heat from loading onto the surface of the roof. Once that surface of the roof gets hot, transfers in, and then you've got the R-rated materials that are in there. R-rated materials have been around for such a long time, and all they're designed to do is slow down the heat transfer. Super Therm, however, is different. It has 4 unique ceramics that are not type of insulation, because in order to get an insulation rating in the construction industry of the United States requires at least 1 inch of thickness. This system here goes on about the thickness of a business card. So there's absolutely no heat penetrating the surface of this roof. And to prove that, I am standing on this roof barefooted. Standing on this roof barefooted to show you that there's absolutely no heat to the surface of this roof. Now, how's it doing this? What it's doing is those 4 unique ceramics are shattering the sun's ultraviolet and infrared rays that are not allowing the surface of this roof to get hot. So if you truly have a ceramic roof, a Super Therm roof, not just a white painted roof, a Super Therm roof, you will truly have a cool roof. A roof that will allow your air conditioning to not have to work so hard. $500 a month they are saving here. That's not including the maintenance cost for overburdened air conditioning units that are going to start flaring up here in the months to come as these temperatures start rising up to 100 degrees. And speaking of which, currently right now in Schertz, it is 97, coming up on 98 degrees right now, and we're standing on this roof barefooted. Not to mention, I brought somebody here with me to demonstrate this the phenomenal coating of Super Therm, and it's my son. And there he is. And yes, he is standing on this roof barefooted. Now, people would say, okay, Mike, you can stand on it barefooted, you can withstand the heat. But there's my son right there. Now, I want to ask you, Matthew, is it hot?
No.
There you go. It's truly from my son's mouth, and he's saying right now, this roof is not hot at all. So please share this video with others. Educate everybody on Super Therm. I'm here to tell you right now, as a faith-filled, God-fearing man, we get this system on the independent school districts of Texas, we will save them millions and millions and millions of dollars. Money that can be used to better our schools, make our schools safer, give salaries to higher salaries to our educators who are so deserving of that. There's so much resources that we can be used if we just save money, if we just break away from that old mentality, that old construction mentality, and look at Super Therm as being the next evolution of, I don't want to say insulation, right? Because insulation requires thickness. This is truly a radiant barrier that will stop heat from loading into the surface of your roof. Right, Matthew?
Right.
Once again, Mike Polanco with Superior Coatings of South Texas, asking that you please share this video, spread the word, educate people about Super Therm. We're humbly and grateful to our God in heaven for all the blessings that we have, and ask that you have a blessed afternoon. Take care. Bye-bye.